Sundays are for slowing down, savoring the moment, and making something special. Welcome to Savor Sunday, a series where I take on recipes that challenge me, push me to learn, and remind me that growth happens one step at a time. This week we'll be making Oxtail Pho, and I would be lying to y'all if I said that I wasn't intimidated to make this recipe. But you know what? I've been telling myself whether I say I can or can't, they're both true. So I just wanted to jump in and really just trying to make this. So honestly, the hardest part about making this recipe to me is just gathering all your ingredients. So just a little tip, I suggest just getting everything the day before you want to actually make the pho, because it's a whole workout, y'all. It takes a long time to kind of get all the ingredients. So just going the day before is just super helpful for when you actually want to cook the recipe. And now we're off to my favorite part of this recipe, which is building the broth. And with anything that you're building, you want to have some patience and take your time, and this broth is no different. It takes a couple steps to actually get and build that signature pho flavor. So the first thing you're going to do is parboil your oxtail and beef bones to kind of get some of that scum and fat off of it before you actually make your broth. And I just really love this part of the recipe because it just taught me that, you know, it may feel like the process of cooking or doing things, you're reaching your goals, whatever you're doing, feels really slow, but is so worth it, and you're making progress in every little step. So all you need to do is just sit back and enjoy the process. It must have been an angel. Look at the sky from above. Bring me love, bring me love. Got me up in Colorado. Someone came down. Must have been an angel. He down from above. He let me through. I won't pretend that I intend to stop living. I won't pretend I'm good at forgetting. But I can't hate you, although I have tried. I still really, really love you. One key part of this recipe is when you are simmering, you have to make sure you're simmering and not boiling. You want to simmer on low. It's going to cook for at least an hour, 2 hours. You can cook it for longer if you want a deeper flavor, but I did it for like an hour and a half. And you just want to let it cook low and slow.
In a hot tub. Oh yeah, yeah. I used to be in love. I really used to love. She said I used to have a heart, but I can't remember. I used to be in love. I used to really love. You never hesitate to hit me for a good turn. You
oxtail pho for the first time. And if there's one thing that I've learned from making this recipe, is that the only thing that's standing between you and what you want is what you tell yourself. And making this pho, learning a new skill, chasing a dream, it all starts with believing you can. I hope you guys enjoyed my first little episode of my new series, Savor Sunday, and I hope you come back next Sunday so we can learn, grow, and cook together. And remember, you can do anything you say you can or can't do.